everyone, good afternoon. I'm going to do a hair color video tutorial a little bit. This is like more for older girls, but if you're younger and you just want to see how I do and you got gray, obviously I got gray. I'm 55. If that helps, it's going to be on Color Silk. I've done a video on this type before. This is the new improved one. This is the Bond Repair Complex. So I have a lot of gray, as you can see, and then, we're mostly in my root area. It's supposed to help. It's okay. It does work a little bit to what I saw, in my personal opinion. 100%. They all say 100%, but if you have gray resistant, I said that in my last video, that's why you should go a little bit darker. You don't have to go too much. You don't have to go black if you don't look good in black, you know what I mean? I picked the color Dark Mahogany Brown. So this is it. And this is, I guess, how it would be. It's like an idea, it's because, remember, I'm not a professional and the local regular person isn't. Some might be. And it's ammonia-free, 98 less breakage. I can't talk to that. That's what they say, what they claim. It does. It depends what you do to your hair. I mean, if you're gonna use heat tools, you're gonna have damage no matter what, even with a blow dryer. So I have wavy, some areas curly, and straight. I have 3 textures. So I buy 2 because my hair's a little bit longer than this because it's curly. I did it curly yesterday. I usually do, but. So my natural color is medium brown. So hopefully this will take, I just hope it ain't gonna look black. I hate when it looks that color, but as long as it covers it, it'll fade eventually. So I'm good with that. So if I do a patch test if you're new to coloring your hair, because you could be an older person that never colored their hair and now they decide to because the gray is annoying them. Use some kind of white that helps. Buy clips like this, Vaseline or any kind of oil to put over here. I notice if I have makeup on sometimes and I put it, I don't get stained so bad. But you gotta work with it while it's still with, you can take a wipe or something or a warm cloth. I think there's things you can buy these days. So. And buy any kind of clips. You can buy these kind of clips. Or these are good to divide, to do a quadrant to your hair. That's when you separate all your root area. So I'll show you what the content is. I'm trying not to make this too long, but my videos always come out long. It's pretty basic. I buy 2 boxes because it don't seem like you get a lot. I think in the past you have, like when I first started back in the 80s, in ancient times there. This is your developer. I use old Tupperware what I was showing you. That's what I use. I wish they would come. I think they used to. I don't know if they still have. They used to have like a heavy cream one. I like those. I don't know. Because the liquid one drip too much. And be careful with your. That's why I got a towel on my sink. So I don't really use the conditioner. Not that crazy about it. Read the directions for the timing. Especially if you're new to it. I don't know. I never really use this one. I don't know if it's new or not. I usually have one for my other ones or I just use my own conditioner. So. I gotta put the Vaseline on. Guys want to see all that. And I gotta take my chain off. I just make sure no jewelry's on. So I'll be back. I'm back. I'm brushing out. That looks like it looks crazy. I'm just gonna do it in the quadrant. And then I'll show you how to do it. I'll be back. I think those of you know, especially in my age group, So I'll be back in between, okay? Stay tuned. Please watch it to the end and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe. That would be helpful. Bye everyone for now. I'm back. I didn't do it like 2 back here because I didn't have enough clips. So basically you do this. I'm going to start at the top. I don't always do. Sometimes I start at the ends. I'm not a professional. That's how I do mine because that's my trouble area. So, and it's not going to be hot roots, I don't think, because I'm not doing red or blonde. So I'm sorry, I'm going to be back. I forgot to mix it. That's the one thing I forgot to do, the most important thing. So, don't forget to wear like old shirt. This is a very old Yankee shirt that somebody gave me so a long time ago. I'll just leave it at that. So, be back. Please stay tuned and wait. I'm back, and you mix it. Make sure all the white is completely mixed in, because I heard that can mess you up too. So I'm making sure. So I'm just going to show you the top. I clipped up the top. I'll do the part. I hate doing it this way, because you can't see what you're doing. It's just too... Because this would help if I put my gloves on, you know. That was stupid. And you rub it in so it really takes, because it's stubborn gray. Well, the years are older, they probably know what to do. The younger people might. It's just for anybody that doesn't know. As you know, my Brooklyn accent. Can't help that. When you're from Brooklyn, it stays with you. From anywhere. Boston, whatever. You know I don't like Boston. No offense to you. One to the Boston fans. I'm a Yankee fan. I'm sorry if I might offend people. And then you divide it where, where the root area is, where, just keep going. And, and do the roots. And do the timing it tells you to do. It depends if you have gray or not. So, I have a lot of gray. So, I might leave it a little bit longer than usual. I usually put on a little extra 10 minutes because I really got this bad over here. So, and I don't do a long time on the lens because I don't want it to turn black. So, that's my personal opinion. I'm not an expert. So, I'll be back with the results. Bye for now. Sorry for the close-up. I'm back. I did my roots. I'm going to let it sit for 20 instead of 15. And probably just do 10 minutes for the length. And I have to do the back. I cleaned up the best I can. It gets all over your ears and your neck. I got to get it real. I keep saying I better just go and buy it. See, I use the real wipes that you should clean yourself with. When you're, women know, not the baby wipes. These work better, actually, than those. So I use these. They're good to have around, and that's another subject that we don't want to talk about today. So, don't mind me, make sure it got wet. When I was rinsing something off. So, I'll be back. I'm sorry this video is getting boring. I try not to be so boring for you guys. I try to be a little exciting, but I guess I'm not exciting enough for you guys. So, I hope this video will be more for the older chicks that don't understand what I'm going through. So, gray hair sucks. So, enjoy it while it's not if you're not a gray hair girl. So, I'll be back with the end results this time. Bye. I'm back. It came out dark, but in certain areas here looks brown. I guess that's where the gray was. It looks dark now, but I know when I start washing it, it'll get lighter and lighter, and it'll be the brown it's supposed to be. Oh, excuse my door. I put too much product in here, so it looks a little wonky. Curled up a little bit back here, but came out flat hair. I think because my hair was a little knotty. Sometimes it happens when I comb my hair, and so I put like a curl cream on so it would soften it up. Cause that does do that. And I put mousse and gel, so I guess it's still damp, so it has that look. When it dries, it'll be nicer. It's gonna be a nice color. It did cover pretty well, as you can see. It's stained a little bit. But I think it covered pretty good. It's going to look nice in the sun, I think. So I really do like it. I recommend it. But I just wish they would make like a cream version. I think that would be really good. And I hope they listen to my video. Make cream version. I really like it. So stay tuned for more videos. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.